Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create a pin in the Pinterest application. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest application and then to add a pin to your account, what you'll have to do is click on this create option, and now you have these three options. I have already covered the how to create a board video, so you can check that out as well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create a pin. So once that's done, you can click on pin, and then
Hey
your
everyone.
gallery pops up, and then you
Hey
can
everyone.
select any file which you want. So let's say I'm going to pick a image which I want to pin. So I'll find the image and then I'll click on next, and now it will ask to give your pin a title. So I will name it as Senitsu, and you have to type in the description as well. You can leave this section if you don't want to. And so in order to show you, I will just type in something, and then you can also add a link to somewhere. So let's say if someone clicks on this image, I want the person to be redirected to my YouTube channel. So if I want that, I can click on this add link and then paste the link of my YouTube channel right there. And now what you can do is click on next, and then you have this option to save to board. So you can click on the board. If you don't have a board, you can create a new board, or if you have a board, you can click on it, and then as you can see, it's now saved to the board tech info. So in order to see your boards and your pins, you can go on to the saved section, and now you can see here your board, and it has one pin as well. So it shows the views and everything here. Also, you have to go on to created, and you can see all your pins. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.